Hello everyone, this is Smart Dot, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to create embeds using webhooks. So what you're gonna need is to have a Discord server, which I have right here. You might recognize them from my other videos. So what we need to do is go into server settings in our server, and then what we need to do is go into this button right here and create a webhook. Then a webhook, something like this, will show up. Name your webhook to whatever you want. This is going to be like a user that's talking, I guess. So the name of kind of the bot that you want it to say. We're going to say example name. We can do general because that's the only one I have. You can change the icon, but I don't need to change the icon because I don't need it. So you can go ahead and save changes. Make sure you do that, and then do copy webhook URL. And then what you want to do is go ahead and go to this website, webhook website, that is discohook.org. I'm gonna bring it up to this message right here. Gotta do and click clear all. If you don't want to use this, you can look up other Discord webhooks, but this one seemed to work fine for me. And then what you want to do is paste your Discord webhook URL. This webhook will be deleted afterwards, so you cannot use it. Then the message content is something that's not in embeds. So if you want that, go ahead, but we want to click add embed, and then you can click title. So like, hi there is our title. Actually, we can do a title. So like, this is a title, and then we can do like, hi there, this is an embed for YouTube. I don't know what else to put in here. You can put in author name, so like this would be from Smart Dart. We can do author URL, so I can get my YouTube link. So I got the URL. This basically what this URL does is it takes it to YouTube and makes you subscribe. Well, it doesn't make you, but prompts you to. So there we go. We can have an author icon. So what you need to do is get an icon link. So what you can do is, of course, get like a image off of Google, put it into your Discord and copy URL. But I don't think we're going to be needing to do that. We can do a footer text like, this is a footer message. And then we can do icon again, same way with the author. You can put in a date for the timestamp, so like something like that, but we don't need that. You can change the color of the side of this, so you can change it to red or like blue or all that sort of thing. So I'm gonna keep it red because my channel theme is red. If you want to override your username, so from the webhook username, you can change it to something else. Same with the avatar. And then you can add more. This is another embed title. Another URL. I'm just going to put this in. So, again, when you click this, it's going to take it to that link. So, same with this one, and then you can click on that. We can add, this is a description number 2, next one. Again, this is a name URL icon, footer text. This is a footer, and then same with everything else. We can get this into color, so like do blue. And there we go. You have it right there. Now all you gotta do is of that. Can't have the same link, of course. Then once you're all set, you can go ahead and click send. Now we can go ahead and look into the Discord tab. So you can look out of here, And we're gonna find here that this isn't going to show right here. Or this is from my other video. But here's the embed. We got our name, we got the title and everything, and of course if we click the link it will go there. And this is everything we needed. There we go. We have an embed, and it was quick and simple. Subscribe and like. Goodbye.